If you are like me and you have seen Shege Pro Max on CapCut, oh yeah, come closer. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come closer. Hi guys, my name is Bolo Atife Farobi. So in this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use CapCut Pro for free. Absolutely free. It is because I have faced the Shege. For those of you that have not faced it yet, that is why I'm making this video, so that you will not have to face the Shege Pro Max. Oh yeah, come here. Open your CapCut app, then select the video you want to edit from your previous video. Then if it is a new project, you just click this new project, then select the video that you want to use. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I would be using a previous project that I've worked on. See, CapCut has showed me Shege and I just found out about this, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. So if you are just seeing my video for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share this video if you feel like it is, in fact, it is even helpful. So do well by sharing it to people that you know that it might be of use to, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, you can tap on the notification button to follow me up on new videos that I will be sharing, because I'll be sharing helpful videos like this one. So let's get right into it. Let's use some pro features and I will show you how it works. Now select this video, okay? Then let's say you want to use this enhanced voice feature. Let me play the video for you first. You do not need to know how to write code. Okay, so click on this enhanced voice. You see that it is a pro feature. So if I tap on this, it's going to show on top of my screen that it is a pro feature. But don't worry, we are going to use this feature and nothing will happen. You do not need to know how to write code. Pay a web developer. Okay, so let's increase it. You do not need to know how to write code. You do not need to know how to write code. Can you see we've enhanced the voice? There's no background noise. There is nothing disturbing that voice. You can also use any other feature that is of pro. You have nothing to worry about, right? So from here, you just screen record this particular video. That is the trick. That is the trick. Guys, please don't sleep on it. Because the last time, as I've mentioned, I was trying to use the auto caption feature and I was just stranded. And I could not go back and say, I can't type the caption myself. I had to use the auto caption. So I could not go back. I could not move forward. I was just there. And that is not good at all. So this is the real deal. When you are done screen recording, I can't screen record right now because I'm currently using the screen record feature on my phone. So when you screen record it, you screen record your video from the beginning to the end. So let me do that and come back. Now that we've successfully screen record our video, what we do now is to turn off the enhanced feature, the pro feature. So let's do that now. Click on this enhanced voice, then toggle it off. You do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be this one too, to create a website for your business or your brand, or probably you're trying to create a portfolio. Now you can hear the noise, the background noise. Now that we've toggled the enhanced voice feature off, what we need to do now is to come here, the audio section, click on it, then click on extract. So this is the video of the recorded part. Tap on it. You do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be in a tech space to create a website. So remember that we used the pro feature here. You can see it there. Now we want to add it there. We are extracting the audio from this video that we just screen recorded. We are extracting this voice. this enhanced voice feature, we are extracting it from here and then putting it on this on the project that we are working on. So click on add. Now we've added it. This is the video we are working on. You see that there is no pro feature here. So you do not need to know how to write code. All right, that is happening because I've not mute the clip audio. So what you do now is to mute your clip audio right here, right? So the original sound is what it is muted. The original sound of all the clips are muted. This is the audio that we just extracted from the pro video that we recorded. So you do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be in a tech space. All right, so to add more source to it, you can just increase the volume. You do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be in a tech space to create a website for your business. Can you see that? The difference is clear, right? I don't know if I need to show you again. Okay, let me just show you. Let us delete it. Right? Then unmute this. You do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be in a tech space to create a website for your business or your brand. Or probably you're trying to create a portfolio website or a presentation website. Don't worry, I got you. So there is background noise in this video. So let's just undo what we just did. Yeah. You do not need to know how to write code, pay a web developer, or basically be. Can you see that the difference is clear? Now we've enhanced the voice. This is much more okay. So if you are stuck on how to make your voice over really clear on your video, this is what you should do. The last video that I posted, that's my first YouTube video. It is whack. I just learned this and I said I should send it to you. I should do a tutorial on it for you guys. So when you are done editing your video, you want to export it. So click here first to increase the resolution of your video. You don't want your video to be looking whack. You don't want it to have a very low quality, right? So that's it. Then when you are done doing this, increase it here. Normally I put my own here, right? So when you are done, you just export your video. So there you have it. If you find this helpful, let me know. I'm sure that you find it helpful. Just click on the subscribe button, follow your girl. I will be showing you a lot more tips like this. I mean, basically everything that I know on how you can grow your social media platform, your business, everything about the digital space. I'll be sharing it with you guys, right? So there you have it. I think I will make a video on the auto caption feature, which is the pro version 2. So you will find that video after this particular video. I would make a video about that right away after this video, so you guys can watch it, like, subscribe, and then you can hit the notification button to get a notification of when I post a new video, when a new video is up. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed.